In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit your logo in standard image blocks. We're going to place your logo inside a standard image or content block, then upload it and fine-tune the look so it feels perfectly at home on your page. First, add a block to your page. Open the block panel in your editor and drag an image block or any block that includes an image placeholder, such as a hero or a feature block, onto the canvas. Drop it where you want the logo to appear. You'll see a default placeholder image inside that block. That simply marks the spot where your logo will live. Next, click the default image. This opens the image pop-up or media manager. From here, choose the option that lets you add a new image, usually an image icon or an upload tab. Browse your computer and select your logo file. For best results, upload a high-quality logo with a transparent background like a PNG or SVG so it blends cleanly into your design. Keep the file reasonably sized to help your page load quickly. Once the upload finishes, use the built-in cropping and editing tools in the pop-up to refine the placement. If your logo looks stretched, reduce the crop or reset it so the original proportions are maintained. If the edges feel cramped, increase the padding or use the scale slider to give it some breathing room. Many editors also provide alignment options. Center alignment typically works well for logos unless your layout calls for left or right alignment. If you need the logo to be clickable, set a link directly from this same pop-up. Linking to your homepage is a common choice. You can also decide whether the link opens in the same tab or a new one, depending on your preference. When you're happy with the framing and the link settings, apply or save your changes to close the pop-up. Back on the page, take a moment to preview the block at different sizes. Logos often appear differently on mobile, so confirm that the image remains crisp and legible against your background. That's it. You added a block with an image placeholder, clicked the default image, uploaded your logo, and used the editing tools to crop, align, and link it as needed. With these simple adjustments, your logo will look polished, load fast, and guide visitors where you want them to go.